Do you ever wake up not knowing what you're going to do? Be spontaneous and hope it turns out well? Unfortunately, today is not that day. So much for being random because look where I am right now. I'm pushing my bike into this overhead bridge. Random destination for the day is Jalan Besar. Having visited this neighborhood a few times, I must say it's like traveling back to time. Rows of old shophouses, boutique hotels, hipster cafes, and famous eateries can be found here. Jalan Besar is actually a Malay word that means large road or wide road. As I had no plans, I decided to drop by Seng Huat hardware for some morning coffee. There are a lot of people, so I went to an alley and snapped some murals. As I cycled towards the historic Jalan Besar Stadium, I passed by the cafe again, but it was still full. There are a lot of beautiful preserved shophouses built with stunning architecture here in Jalan Besar. Hundreds of shophouses here, but this row of terrace houses in Petain Rd always catches my attention. Initially, you may not be able to see it, but once you step in, you will understand why it's impossible not to stop and admire at this architectural wonder. Alright, that's enough of history. The plan is to ride through Jalan Besar and find a place for early lunch. There's nothing better than eating some good old-fashioned local food. corner shop, Beach Road Scissor Cut Curry Rice is an unpretentious place for cheap and delicious food. Lucky to stumble on this curry joint on their opening time. For me, a good curry rice recipe consists of curry that graze on a steaming bed of rice and complemented with a hefty pork chop or chicken chop and vegetable of your choice. Just in case you're wondering, they use the scissor to cut the meat of the pork or chicken chop, which makes sense because it's more efficient rather than using conventional knife. Alright, that's it for today. See you again in the next adventure.